Woodworking is not just a hobby. It's a gateway to transforming your living space and your financial situation. By tapping into your creativity, you can create beautiful wooden crafts that not only enhance your home decor, but also present lucrative opportunities for income generation. The world of woodworking offers endless possibilities, combining artistry and practicality in a way that few other crafts can. As you embark on your woodworking journey, consider the marketing potential of your creations. With the rise of online marketplaces and social media platforms, it has never been easier to showcase your work to a global audience. Building an online presence allows you to connect with potential customers, share your crafting process, and tell the story behind each piece. This connection can foster loyalty and encourage repeat business, which is crucial for long-term success. Finding job opportunities in woodworking can also be advantageous. Whether you choose to pursue woodworking full-time or as a side hustle, there are countless avenues to explore. From custom orders to workshops and classes, the demand for handmade wooden crafts is growing. People are increasingly seeking unique, artisanal items that reflect personal style and values, making woodworking an appealing career option. Home decor is a significant area where your wooden crafts can shine. Many individuals are looking for ways to personalize their spaces, and handcrafted items can provide that unique touch. By creating pieces that resonate with current design trends, you can attract a wide range of customers looking to elevate their homes. Your ability to innovate and adapt to market preferences will set you apart in a competitive landscape. Profitability in woodworking comes not just from the sale of your crafts, but also from the sustainability of your materials. By choosing responsibly sourced wood, you can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Sustainability is more than a trend. It's a movement that resonates with many, and your commitment to eco-friendly practices can enhance your brand's reputation and marketability. Crafting wooden items at home allows for flexibility and creativity. You can work at your own pace and experiment with different techniques and styles. This freedom is especially valuable for those looking to balance a job while pursuing their passion. By setting aside dedicated time for woodworking, you can progressively build your skills and your product line, leading to increased profits over time. Handmade woodworking allows for a personal touch that mass-produced items simply cannot replicate. Each piece you create carries a story, an essence of your craftsmanship, and a level of care that resonates with buyers. This authenticity is often reflected in the price consumers are willing to pay for your creations. The more unique and high-quality your work, the more likely you are to command higher prices. In addition to selling finished products, there are opportunities to provide custom services. Many customers are looking for personalized wooden crafts that fit their specific needs or preferences. Offering customization options can broaden your market reach and create additional revenue streams. By engaging with customers and understanding their desires, you can create meaningful pieces that foster deeper connections. Marketing your wooden crafts effectively is essential for success. Utilize social media platforms to share high-quality images of your work, behind-the-scenes processes, and customer testimonials. Engaging content can attract followers and convert them into loyal customers. Collaborating with influencers or participating in local craft fairs can also expand your visibility and reach. As you build your brand, consider the importance of storytelling in your marketing efforts. Sharing your journey, the inspiration behind your crafts, and your commitment to sustainability can resonate with customers on a personal level. By creating an emotional connection, you not only sell products, but also foster loyalty and community among your audience. Networking within the woodworking community can also provide valuable insights and opportunities. Engaging with other craftsmen, joining local associations, or participating in online forums can enhance your skills and expose you to new techniques and trends. Collaboration can lead to joint projects or shared marketing efforts, increasing your visibility and potential customer base. Financial management is a critical aspect of turning your woodworking passion into a profitable venture. Keeping detailed records of expenses, sales, and profits will help you identify what works and what doesn't. This awareness allows for informed decisions regarding pricing, inventory, and marketing strategies, ensuring that your business remains sustainable and profitable. Ultimately, woodworking is a fulfilling way to express your creativity while providing a viable income source. The combination of artistic expression, market demand, and personal fulfillment makes this craft an attractive option for many. By focusing on quality, sustainability, and effective marketing, you can transform your space and your wallet, creating a rewarding business that reflects your passion for woodworking. Embrace the journey of woodworking and let your creativity flourish. The potential for profit and personal satisfaction is limitless, and with dedication and innovation, you can build a thriving enterprise from the comfort of your home. Whether you're crafting for personal enjoyment or as a business venture, the world of woodworking offers endless opportunities waiting to be explored. Transforming your space and your wallet through woodworking is an exciting journey that combines craftsmanship, creativity, and business acumen. By creating handmade wooden crafts, you not only enhance your home decor, but also tap into a growing market where unique, sustainable items are in high demand. As you explore job opportunities in this field, you can leverage social media and online platforms to effectively market your creations, reaching customers who appreciate the artistry and story behind each piece. This endeavor not only offers the potential for profit, but also allows you to showcase your commitment to sustainability, making your crafts appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. Embrace the chance to turn your passion for woodworking into a fulfilling and profitable venture. If you enjoyed this insight, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.